I'm uncomfortable saying it to you because
Okay.
you're Tagalog, but if it's in Ilocano, I won't be. You
Okay,
know, because you know that what poki poki means, right?
Yes, that's why I was
So.
laughing. Hey guys, I have a guest here. Her name is Jez Cruz, and she is the founder of Umaga Coffee. And she's gonna be showing us a new recipe today. It's gonna be an Ilocano dish, and I'm super excited because I don't know much about Ilocano cuisine, and Jez is my primary source. She's telling me all about it.
Hi, I'm Jez. I'm the owner of Umaga Coffee. Our goal is to introduce Filipino coffees to the Filipino community in Bakersfield. Today we will be cooking puki puki. One of the goal of Umaga Coffee is to introduce Ilocano dishes as well. So once we have our store, I will be able to share this with our customers.
Yes.
Okay, so we have some eggplants, diced tomatoes, we have chopped onions and minced garlic.
I love it.
This is actually 3 eggs with crushed pepper and salt. It's just like when you're making omelette or scrambled egg. So I just put it there just to make it easier for us. Of course, any cooking oil for sauteing. And then the patis, because we don't have the bagoong, so we can use patis. Actually, you can use salt too if you don't like the smell of patis. The first thing we're gonna do is to grill the eggplant. In the Philippines, we actually grill using a charcoal.
It tastes better when you have the charcoals.
Let's see if it's actually cooked. It'll take forever.
Let's turn this off. Let's not do the American way. It takes way too long. We're gonna just do it over this flame. It should go by a lot faster. Is that high? Is that, oh, look,
Yeah,
it's
that's too high.
burning. Too high? Okay.
Yeah, a little lower. There you go.
There? Okay, cool. Yes! We're gonna use this thing so we can have more eggplant on top. Yes! Oh, that's so like, it just brings back memories. This is so cool. It really like reminds me of like, just being in the Philippines.
Yeah, Ilocanos are actually good at creating dishes from simple ingredients. Anything that you can see from your backyard, you can create it into something really good. We're more into vegetable actually, like the ding.
Oh, it's so good.
They're almost.
Ooh,
Ooh,
look,
that was fun.
It's like Benihana. So like you see how Jez is poking it? She's poking it to see which parts are soft, which is like cooked, and then which parts are still kind of stiff. You need to cook those through still.
I think we're done.
Yes.
We can just peel it. All right,
Nice.
I think we're done.
Turn this guy off. Do you want me to also help you peel some too?
sure.
Okay, because I'm
We
like,
can- The only difference from the torta is this one is a little juicier. Like this one just came up right there.
you're like pro at it. Look at me. I feel like such a noob.
We'll watch our mom do it, and then she'll have us do it, and she's watching over our shoulders. She would always say that if something happens to them, if they die,
Yes.
you know, we won't die in starvation. We know how to cook. Especially me, I'm the oldest, so I
Yeah.
have to
Oh,
take
you're the
care of my
oldest.
siblings. Yeah.
Oh, cool. Me too.
Oh, okay. We'll just bring all of them so it's faster.
Oh. Oh. I get it.
Why?
That's what you mean by, because when you said like it's juicier than tortang talong, I see why.
Yes, because it's not the whole. It's not like the whole eggplant. You have to chop it.
This, I kind of like the idea of this better.
So, yep, so like that. It has to be mashed. There you go. And then we can transfer
this.
that one right here.
Awesome.
And we're ready to saute it.
Really? Oh,
Yes.
This is awesome.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good? Okay, cool. There you go.
We're gonna get ready to saute it.
Okay,
So the first thing is the garlic.
Okay. Ooh, yes.
It didn't sound. It's supposed to be shh.
Oh, really?
I like that sound effects. My parents always tell me that it's supposed to be brown, like light brown. Yeah, my dad always tell me never mince garlic. You have to crush them.
Huh.
Yes, because if you mince them, you don't really bring out the taste and the fragrance.
Nice.
Sorry, this is taking forever, so we'll just put the
So you're an impatient cook like I am.
yes. So the technique on the tomato, well, my Lola always say that you have to make sure that the outer peel is actually gonna come off from the fruit,
Okay.
because that's where the nutrients is.
Right.
And they always say you have to move the one that's already cooked, like the onions on the side, so
Right.
this one gets a chance to get cooked, and then you blend them so they don't get burned too. It has to be a little bit mashed so the consistency is the same with the eggplant, because if it's like hard, it doesn't blend well. So this is the one that my grandma's telling me, like that.
Got it.
Yeah.
Eat it.
So there's the sound.
I love
This
it.
is it. We got it.
So you really got to get it all mashed up.
Yes, mash.
Oh, it smells so
Now we
good.
can get the patis. The patis is actually to taste. So I'm a salty person.
You're a salty
like
person?
salty when it comes to food.
Okay.
So I would say about 1 tablespoon for now, and then you
Okay.
can just add it a little bit more. Or usually we do have like patis to the side, side, just in case.
I also noticed some patis is saltier than others. Like I feel like this one is not as salty as other ones I've used.
Okay. Tomato, and then we put our. Yay! I can smell the patis.
That smells like home.
Yeah, patis or soy sauce, whatever we have to make it more saltier.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. I think it's mashed enough, so we'll put this one.
Okay.
Like you have to stir it,
Oh.
and it will blend. Some of my friends would like me to add ground meat if you want to.
Oh.
So you can add a ground meat too if you're really a meat eater.
I love seeing like those, like the folds of
Yes.
the skin.
When my dad sees this, he'll be happy. Like, okay, perfect cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's
Nice.
good. Yeah.
Yes.
You're okay with the
Woo!
egg?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we're done.
I love it.
Where do you put
Turn
it?
it off. I might burn you.
Actually, it cooled down.
It cool down? Okay.
You eat it with rice.
So here, I got some rice. So I got some rice back there. Here it is. Here's the finished puki puki.
Poki poki.
Poki
Now it's time
poki.
to try it.
It smells so good. I'm just gonna. Wow. Okay.
Because I like patis, I can add some more patis if I want to.
Oh my god. Thank you so much.
So you can use to the side. You can actually pour it over the your food.
Oh.
You can actually tell an Ilocano vinegar from the smell, from the scent of it.
Oh.
It's strong.
Oh no. It's darker.
It's dark. It's always dark.
I love it. I really have this thing against like white distilled vinegar. I'm just like, it's so boring.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing! It's so simple, so delicious and juicy, right? Like it's refreshing.
So happy I could share Ilocano dish. All right.
Yay!
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Jess. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Follow
Thank
her.
you.
Umaga Coffee.